Hi guys, welcome to my videos. So guys, today in this video I'm going to show you how to apply for a tourist visa to Bangladesh online step by step. Before I proceed further, if you have not already subscribed to my channel, please go and subscribe right now. So guys, also I want to clarify, neither I am an immigration consultant nor I am a government body. So if you take anything out of this video, you do it at your own risk. Alright guys, so let's proceed. So guys, in front of you I have opened this official Bangladesh government website where you can see online application for Bangladesh machine readable visa. So they have clearly defined the steps: fill and submit online visa application form, print, take the printed form enclosed with required documents, payment of visa fee documents to the nearest visa office, Bangladesh mission. So if you want to check the visa fee, you can click here, and it's based on the country. So let's say if you are from Canada, where is Canada? Why it's not alphabetic? I don't know. Where is that? Can I change it? No. Rwanda, Papua New Guinea, Nauru. Oh. Italy. Yeah. So they have given in Bangladesh taka, so maybe equivalent. So 33, 33, 66. So for single 3300, re-entry 3300, multiple 6600. Okay, fine. So it's currency wise. Okay, fine. So they have also given the required documents what you need. You see they have like supported countries and other information. So you can check on that, and once you are okay, check this box and then click on next. So first you need to put your email address and security code. So I'm gonna do that. Okay, so you can see that I have come to the main page. So it is asking for personal information. Okay, to first name as in passport. Okay, so surname, details, permanent address, contact number, address in Bangladesh, contact number, date of birth, and other information. Okay, so I'm going to put some sample values here. So we are in the second page. It's asking for the type of visa enrollment. I select new visa application based on your case. I go to next. And it gives me information. Now it is asking about details about travel documents. So I'm gonna fill some sample information. Section 4, it was asking payment information. I did not have, so I just clicked save and next, because you can save it as an incomplete application and later on you can come and fill it up. So you got to fill as per your case. Now I'm going to part 6. Now you have to select which one you want to take the visa from. So I just select this. Now you have the document checklist. and you can go to save and next and you can submit it. So I'm not going to go to that section, but you got the information, right? So thanks for watching this. Please subscribe to the channel. Thank you.